think a lot of the lawyers who watch this podcast, especially, don't have the biggest teams to assist them. And it's often up to them to generate their own client opportunities. Do you have any tips for our attorney viewers on how they can go about improving their business development and their marketing skills, and how to really get out there and find customer opportunities?
Sure. I think first, many opportunities are based on long-term relationships. It's never too early to start building those relationships. And that doesn't just mean going out and pitching a client multiple times, but really getting to know someone. It can mean someone that you met at your child's PTA meeting, or someone that serves on a local community board with you that you develop ties with. I have a client I've been working with on business development issues for some time. And one of the things we've talked about is that business development is very personal. Some people go out and play golf every weekend with people that are really passionate about that. They spend a lot of time on the course together. Other people find people that they can connect with through taking a walk, or maybe they connect over watching the US Open and being really enthused about tennis. I have a client that has personal relationships with people that are also as passionate as she is about professional tennis. And this is something that she connects with, not only offering people tickets or saying, would you like to join me, but hey, how about coming over to my house? Or how about having a watch party on us? Or just sending an update on something she's seen on a player that they've talked about before. I think those kinds of personal connections can help build relationships over time. What's important about developing business is you really want people to have trust in you, and that trust takes time to build up in many instances. I would also say that building your reputation is critical. And if you're in a smaller environment, you don't have as many folks to rely on in a big marketing department, think about how you want to develop your own brand and reputation. That might be that you post on LinkedIn about interesting issues that you see. It might be that you develop a regular email that you send out to clients, just updating them, maybe a webinar that you decide to put out or develop. And some of the guidance on that can come from not just people in your own firm or your own department, but it can come from people that are colleagues at the bar. And I think finding a mentor is actually really important as well. It doesn't have to be the stagest person you can locate as an attorney, but it might be somebody that is a few years beyond you maybe, or has gone through a similar situation. And I think finding somebody to bounce ideas off of and ask, do you think I'm on the right track, is really helpful.